Hey guys, in this series we're going to be making a WordPress e-commerce site. Pretty simple site. It's like a drop shipping site, almost like you would see. We've just given it Outdoor Nation is the name of it, kind of a sporting goods outdoor. Simple e-commerce, few different things, just has a nice feel to it. We're going to be using Elementor, Woocommerce, and we're going to be hosting it on Pantheon, so the entire thing is going to be free. You don't pay any money. If you do want to get an SSL certificate, you're going to have to buy a domain name or buy an SSL. But for this, we're just going to make it completely free using Pantheon Sandbox. So same with Elementor. We're going to use a couple of plugins to give us premium versions of Elementor. So we're just going to be using standard Elementor and then a few plugins that go on top of it to give us those premium banners and things like that. So if you want to skip ahead, I'm putting an info card in right here so you can just skip ahead to the content, but I'm going to do just a little demo of the site first. So we have a little YouTube background here, and it has a responsive section in it so that on an iPhone it displays just a nice little camping picture. We have a couple of icons here, and we have our categories here. So these will take us to our store with anything with the category of campfire. So we have these nice little banners here. We have a couple of sliders that show our e-commerce, on sale, new products, or best selling. And these will just take us to the individual product, and we can choose, whatever we want, add to cart. Let's go back. It's going to show our blog, so we can click on this, top 5 places to fish. Just a nice clean page with a few pictures. It'll give us, you also might like blog images. You can comment on it. All right. So we have this. We have a nice little footer here. Has our social media, our contact information, and a way to sign up for a newsletter. Let's see. In our shop section, we have all of our products. We also have this recently viewed product, which is nice. It shows people what they've already looked at, and they can go back to it easily if they want to add to their cart. We have our social media icons here. We have a couple of product categories here, so you can select one, just go to it. And it'll show all of our products. You can either add to cart if it's a single product, or if there are a few options, you can select options, and you can also have a little quick view where you can select open or closed, whatever attributes you have, and click your add to cart. So we want to do 2. We can either view cart or click off. We have a full account here, which will show you all of your orders, your addresses that you have in here, so you can update any of this. Inside here, we also have a wish list. So if you are on one of these, you select a chair, we'll just say add to wish list. So now we can view wish list, and we have this on our wish list, and we can just add selected to cart. Okay. So now we have our cart, just has a pop-up here, really nice look and feel to it. We keep our standard green across everything. That way it flows together well. These social icons do have a little bit color difference to match their standard. But here we can take anything out of our cart. We can bump the quantity down and update, and then any coupons, and we could proceed to checkout. And this has full checkout with PayPal. So really simple. It's not in your face like a lot of these other drop shipping sites. It looks like a standard hometown store, except these are things you could buy on AliExpress or wherever. So I'm going to do a few of these videos, and the reason I'm doing that is just to break it up so that we can look at it a little bit easier. And that way you can follow along better, and it just kind of breaks the sections up. So I'm going to put all these in a playlist, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if there's anything else in the comments on any of the videos or the playlist. If you want to see any other kind of stores or any kind of WordPress on there, and I'll check it out and see what I can do. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.